Linz, I can't tell you how many times I've closed my eyes and seen this day, and now it's finally here. Oh, he's usually not this expressive. I can never thank you enough for continuing to bring your joy, beauty, wit, and strength, and your boundless support each and every day into my life.
Taylor, there are so many things that I catch myself thinking, wow, this is just too good to be true, and others where I think, why me? But in all honesty, I never thought I'd get this lucky. You have been such a constant in my life these past 7 years, and I'm so glad that today means it will be that way for at least the next 70. I love you always and can't wait to see you. Let's get married, Linz.
Love like we never grew up and live like you just get one tonight. We're kings and queens. One blink and it's over. Wake up and we're older tonight. We're kings and queens.
We've gathered together in the presence of God to give thanks for the gift of marriage, to witness the joining together of Lindsley and Taylor, to ask God's blessing upon them so they may be strengthened in their life and nurtured in their love for God. You've joined hands, and with your promises, bind yourselves to each other. Taylor, repeat after me. I, Taylor,
take you, Lindsley,
to be my wife, to be my companion in life,
and my
one true love, to give and to receive,
To
to speak and to listen, I promise to hold you in my heart, and entrust myself to yours. Before God, in the presence of families and friends, they have confirmed their promises by the joining of hands and the giving and receiving of rings. Therefore, I now pronounce them husband and wife. You may kiss. It is my great honor and privilege to introduce to you now Mr. and Mrs. Taylor Ballard.
Now